Imagine stepping on the scale and seeing a number that's 21 pounds lighter. It seems impossible, right? But what if it wasn't? What if you could jumpstart your weight loss journey and see incredible results in just 21 days?
The 21-day Smoothie Diet is a revolutionary program that can help you achieve this. This isn't about starvation or deprivation, it's about flooding your body with nutrients from delicious, easy-to-make smoothies.
This program is designed to be simple, effective, and sustainable. It's time to ditch the fad diets and discover a way to lose weight while feeling energized and healthy. Are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? The Smoothie Diet is more than just a diet, it's a lifestyle change. It's about nourishing your body from the inside out with nutrient-rich smoothies that are surprisingly filling and delicious. This program focuses on whole, unprocessed foods packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These smoothies are designed to boost your metabolism, curb cravings, and promote natural weight loss. Forget complicated meal plans and calorie counting. The Smoothie Diet provides a structured and easy-to-follow plan that fits seamlessly into your busy life. Get ready to experience the power of smoothies and unlock a healthier, happier you. Starting a new diet can feel overwhelming. We've all been there. The constant cravings, the lack of energy, the feeling of deprivation. But what if losing weight didn't have to be a struggle? The Smoothie Diet eliminates common weight loss obstacles. The delicious smoothies keep you feeling full and satisfied, reducing cravings for unhealthy snacks. The quick and easy recipes fit into even the busiest schedules, removing the excuse of no time. Plus, the natural sugars in fruits provide sustained energy without the sugar crash. This diet is designed to make you feel good, both physically and mentally, empowering you to achieve your weight loss goals. The Smoothie Diet has helped countless individuals achieve incredible transformations.
People just like you have experienced remarkable weight loss, increased energy levels, and improved overall health. She struggled with her weight for years, trying countless diets without success.
Take Sarah, for example.
After just 21 days on the Smoothie Diet, I lost 15 pounds and felt more energized than ever before.
Or John, who was skeptical at first but decided to give it a try.
I was amazed by the results, losing 20 pounds and significantly reducing my blood pressure.
These are just a few of the many success stories that demonstrate the power of the Smoothie Diet. Section 6. Keeping it fresh and fun. Consistency is key to achieving lasting results with the Smoothie Diet. It's not just about making a smoothie once in a while. It's about integrating it into your daily routine. But that doesn't mean you have to drink the same smoothie every day. In fact, having the same thing every day can get boring and make it harder to stick to the plan. In fact, variety is encouraged. The more diverse your smoothie ingredients, the more nutrients you can pack into your diet. Experiment with different fruits, vegetables, and superfoods to create your own signature smoothies. This not only keeps things exciting, but also ensures you get a wide range of vitamins and minerals. Try adding a handful of spinach to your favorite berry smoothie for a boost of vitamins. Spinach is rich in iron and other essential nutrients that can enhance your overall health. Or blend in some avocado for a creamy texture and healthy fats. Avocado is a fantastic source of monounsaturated fats, which are great for your heart. The Smoothie Diet provides a wide range of delicious recipes to keep your taste buds satisfied. From tropical blends to green detox smoothies, there's something for everyone. Don't be afraid to get creative and have fun with it. Mix and match ingredients to discover new flavors and textures. You might find a new favorite combination. The more you enjoy your smoothies, the more likely you are to stick with the program. When you look forward to your daily smoothie, it becomes a delightful part of your routine rather than a chore. Take a trip to your local market and explore the fresh produce available. Seasonal fruits and vegetables can add a new twist to your smoothies and keep them exciting. Involve your family in the smoothie making process. It's a fun activity that everyone can enjoy, and it encourages healthy eating habits for all ages. Consider prepping your smoothie ingredients in advance. Having everything ready to go in the morning can save time and make it easier to stick to your routine. Smoothies can also be a convenient meal replacement. Whether you're at work or on the go, a well-balanced smoothie can provide the nutrients you need to stay energized throughout the day. Share your smoothie creations on social media and join a community of smoothie enthusiasts. It's a great way to stay motivated and get new ideas for your next blend. Remember, the goal is to keep it fresh and fun. The more you enjoy the process, the more benefits you'll reap from the smoothie diet. So get blending and enjoy the journey to a healthier you. Section 7, 21 Days to a New You. Imagine waking up 21 days from now feeling lighter, healthier, and more energized than you have in years. Picture yourself starting each day with a sense of vitality and enthusiasm that you may have thought was lost forever. This transformation is not just a dream. It can be your reality. The smoothie diet can make this a reality. By incorporating nutrient-dense smoothies into your daily routine, you are setting the stage for a complete body reset. These smoothies are not only delicious but are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that your body craves. By the end of the 21 days, you'll have consumed an abundance of fruits, vegetables, and other nutrient-rich foods, giving your body the tools it needs to thrive. Imagine the vibrant colors of fresh produce filling your kitchen and the satisfaction of knowing you are fueling your body with the best nature has to offer. You'll have reset your taste buds, craving healthy whole foods instead of processed junk. This shift in your palate will make it easier to maintain healthy eating habits long after the 21 days are over. You'll find yourself reaching for an apple instead of a bag of chips and savoring the natural sweetness of fruits. Most importantly, you'll have developed a healthier relationship with food, understanding the power of nourishing your body from the inside out. This journey is about more than just weight loss. It's about embracing a lifestyle that promotes overall well-being. You'll learn to listen to your body's signals and respond with kindness and care. The 21-day smoothie diet is not just a quick fix. It's a stepping stone to a healthier, happier you. It's an opportunity to kickstart a new chapter in your life, one where you prioritize your health and well-being. So take the first step today and commit to the 21-day smoothie diet. Your future self will thank you. Section 8. Picture your transformation. Close your eyes for a moment and visualize yourself 21 days from now. Imagine the journey you've embarked on, the small but significant changes you've made each day. You step on the scale and a smile spreads across your face as you see the number. It's not just about the weight, it's about the progress, the dedication, and the commitment you've shown. Your clothes fit looser, and you feel a surge of confidence. Each outfit you try on feels like a victory, a testament to your hard work and perseverance. You have more energy than ever before, and your skin is glowing. This newfound vitality is a reflection of the nutritious choices you've made, the smoothies that have become a staple in your diet. You're no longer controlled by cravings, and you genuinely enjoy eating healthy, delicious food. Every meal is a celebration of your commitment to a healthier lifestyle. This is the power of the smoothie diet. It's not just a diet, it's a transformation, a new way of living that brings joy and satisfaction. Now open your eyes and ask yourself, am I ready to make this vision a reality? Reflect on the journey ahead and the incredible changes that await you. The journey starts with a single step. Each step you take brings you closer to your goals, to the person you aspire to be. Are you ready to take it? Embrace the challenge, trust the process, and watch as your transformation unfolds. Section 9. Join the smoothie movement. The 21-day smoothie diet is more than just a diet. It's a community of like-minded individuals who are committed to improving their health and well-being. Share your smoothie creations, your progress, and your challenges with others on this journey. Support and motivate each other, and celebrate your successes together. For more information, recipes, and success stories, visit our website or follow us on social media. The journey to a healthier, happier you starts now. Let's get blending.
The journey to a healthier, happier you starts now. Let's get blending.